Now there will be a presentation of Tripura State Academic of Tribal Culture for showcasing the traditional attire and ornaments of all the 19 tribal groups of Tripura. So let's welcome them on the stage. Now let's welcome Tripuri community with an attire called Chamathai, which will be presented by Khorang and Men. Next, we will be having a Riyang community presented by Romy Joy and Lilavati. Now, I will be inviting Jamatia community to be represented by Khulbar and Barkha. Now I shall be inviting a representative from Rupini community, Heman and Salome. This is an attire of Kolai community represented by Vicky and Mary. Next, I will be inviting the Rupuni community, Heman and Salome. Next is of Uchai community by Sanat and Suparna. Now, we will be witnessing Uchai community by Sonat and Suparna. Now, I would like to invite Samung and Sima to represent Tripura community. Next, we will be having a Garo community, Pravir and Regina. This is a beautiful mock attire represented by Ugyajai and Aisiri. Now, I will be inviting Prabir and Regina for showcasing Garo community. Now we will be having Mura Singh community to be represented by Satya Kumar and Rita. The next attire will be of Chakma community by Rahul and Purnima. Now, we will be having a community from Santhal by Komal and Kakti. Now, I would like to invite a Bill community. Now, I would like to invite Orang community, Benjamin and Monica. Now we will be having a Bill community by Khanang and Deepika. Now, I would like to invite Mizao community by Suraj and Deepaditti. Now we will be having Molsom community by Rupan and Deepika. Now we will be having Kaipeng community by Pinak and Pallavi. Now we will be having Munda community by Paresh and Priyanka. Now we will be having Munda community by Paresh and Priyanka. This is Kaipeng community by Pinak and Pallavi. Next, we will be having Nuatia community by Hiren and Manshi. Nuatia community. With this, we have come to the end of Attai's showcasing of 19 communities. Thank you so much to all the participants. A self-help group called Khabaksha, comprising of mothers from Samanu Dhalai district, has weaved these scarves, also known as Risha, for this event. They also desire to have a photograph with a woven Risha worn by the dignitaries. So I would like to request all the dignitaries for a picture for our beloved mother of Khabaksha. Thank you so much to all the dignitaries. Now, there will be lighting of lamp as a mark of inauguration of the interactive program by Honorable Justice U. Lalit, Judge, Supreme Court of India and Executive Chairman, NALSA, being aided by the other dignitaries. Now, I would like to request Sri Sanjay Bhattacharjee, Member Secretary, Tripura State Legal Services Authority, to deliver a welcome speech.
Honorable Mr. Justice U. Lalit, Judge, Supreme Court of India and Executive Chairperson, NALSA. Respected Madam Mrs. Amita Uday Lalit, Honorable Mr. Justice Rishikesh Roy, Judge, Supreme Court of India, respected Madam Mrs. Chandana Sinha Roy, Honorable Mr. Justice Indrajit Mohanty, Chief Justice, High Court of Tripura, and Patron-in-Chief, Shalsa, Honorable Mr. Justice S. Tolapatro, Judge, High Court of Tripura, and Executive Chairperson, Shalsa, Honorable Mr. Justice A. Lodh, Judge, High Court of Tripura, Honorable Mr. Justice S. G. Chattopadhyay, Judge, High Court of Tripura, Srimati Nilima Ghosh, Chairperson, State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, Sri Ashok Kumar Jain, Member Secretary, NALSA, Sri Puneet Sehgal, Director, NALSA, Judicial Officers, Senior Advocates, Chairperson, Tripura Commission for Women, former judges, other dignitaries and invited guests of the dais, friends of the media, and my dear students from different parts of Tripura, a very warm good morning to all of you. As Member Secretary of Tripura State Legal Services Authority, I feel privileged to offer the welcome address in today's unique interactive program and poster exhibition on children's rights on the theme, Protecting Children, Providing Hope, just 1 week ahead of the Children's Day, which falls on 14th November. Right at the outset, I would like to heartily welcome Honorable Mr. Justice U. Lalit, Judge, Supreme Court of India, and Executive Chairperson, NALSA, and also express our gratitude to His Lordship for gracing us with his inspiring presence and for kindly consenting to inaugurate today's program. My deep gratitude to His Lordship, Honorable Mr. Justice Rishikesh Roy, for having graciously agreed to grace the program as the special guest. I would also like to welcome Honorable Mr. Justice Indrajit Mohanty, Chief Justice, High Court of Tripura, and Patron-in-Chief, Shalsa, whose overall guidance and encouragement laid the foundation for today's program. Thank you, my Lord, for kindly consenting to preside over today's interactive session. I also would like to welcome Honorable Mr. Justice S. Talapatro, Judge, High Court of Tripura, and Executive Chairperson, Shalsha, and express our gratitude to His Lordship for his kind minute-to-minute supervision to ensure that today's program turns out successful. It is my proud privilege to also welcome Honorable Mr. Justice L. Odh, Judge, High Court of Tripura, and Chairman, High Court Legal Services Committee, and Honorable Mr. Justice S. G. Chattopadhyay, Judge, High Court of Tripura. Thank you, my lords, for your kind presence. I would also offer a note of welcome to Srimati Nilima Ghosh, Chairperson, State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, Sri Ashok Kumar Jain, Member Secretary, NALSA, and Sri Puneet Sehgal, Director, NALSA. I must particularly thank my dear students participating from different schools, children homes, the student team band, choir group, skit group, child involved in the exhibition area for their participation. I would also like to welcome all our other respected invited guests, friends from the media, district education officers, teachers, parents, without whose supports, children could not have been able to attend this program. A special round of thanks is due to the Learned Registrar General, High Court of Tripura, and officers and staffs of the High Court Registry, Tripura, for active cooperation and help for today's program. I am thankful to the Secretary and Director of School Education, Government of Tripura, Secretary and Director of Social Welfare, Social Education Department, Government of Tripura, LRN Secretary Law, Government of Tripura, and Superintendent of Homes for their support to make this program a successful one. I am thankful to Mr. Angshuman Debbarma, Learned District and Session Judge, West Tripura Agartala, as well as Chairman, West Tripura District Legal Services Authority, Mrs. Aparajita Debbarma, District Secretary, District Legal Services Authority, West Tripura, Srimati Hannah Begum, Deputy Secretary, Shalsha, all the chairmen and secretaries of district and subdivisional legal services institutions for their continuous cooperation to make this program a successful one. The National Legal Services Authority, in collaboration with the state legal services authorities, have been working relentlessly to achieve the constitutional vision of equal justice and free legal aid. Significantly, NALSA has launched Pan-India Awareness and Outreach Campaign from 2nd October to 14th November to coincide with the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Every program requires a team of dedicated workers who must work with clockwork precision and coordination to ensure that the program is glitch-free. I would be failing in my duty if I do not acknowledge and sincerely thank each one of you who are directly or indirectly involved in today's program. A word of thanks and gratitude is also due to all staff members of State Legal Services Authority, High Court Legal Services Committee, District Legal Services Authorities, Subdivisional Legal Services Committees, all decorators and workers, all PLVs, without whose help and participation today's program would not have been possible. I may be excused if I have inadvertently failed to thank any one of you involved in today's program, either individually or collectively, but please be assured that we are thankful to each one of you present with us today. I am confident that today's program would be a grand success and will remain etched as a milestone in our journey towards protecting the rights and aspirations of the children of Tripura. Dhanyavad.
Thank you so much, sir, for the welcome address.